Good morning, children. Today I am going to take the lesson, the remaining part of the human geography of Tamil Nadu. In the last session, we saw the irrigation. Today, cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. Farmers select different crops for different seasons of cultivation. It is based on the temperature and availability of moisture in the soil. According, the state has the following crop seasons. Swarnavari, it is otherwise called as Chittirai Pattam. The sowing period is April to May. Harvesting period is August to September. And major crops are millets and cotton. Samba, it is called as Adipattam. The sowing period is July and August. The harvesting period is January and February. Major crops are paddy and sugarcane. Navarai, the sowing period is November and December. Harvesting period is February and March. Major crops, fruits, vegetables, cucumber and watermelon. The distribution of major crops in Tamil Nadu. The first one is paddy. Paddy is the most important staple crop of Tamil Nadu. Ponni and Kichadi, Samba are the major varieties of paddies grown in Tamil Nadu. About 3 million hectares of the state is under rice cultivation, though it is cultivated all over Tamil Nadu. Its cultivation is highly concentrated in Tanjavur, Thiruvarur, Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, Viluppuram, Kadalur and Tirunelveli districts. It ranks third in the production of the rice among the states of India. The delta region of Kaveri is a major rice producing region of Tamil Nadu. So this region is rightly called as the granary of Tamil Nadu. The next side heading is millets. Millets form a staple food of nearly 1/3 of human population of Tamil Nadu. Jowar, ragi, kambu are the major millets. These are grown not only in drier areas but also in coastal plains. Sorghum is grown in the Coimbatore Plateau and Kambam Valley. Ragi is grown in Coimbatore, Dharmaburi, Vellore and Kadalur districts. Bajra is mostly cultivated in Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Karur, Perambalur and Salem districts. The next one is pulses. Pulses are the major source of protein. Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, cowpaw and horse gram are the important pulses grown in Tamil Nadu. Pulses are grown in a wide range of climatic conditions, mostly in drier regions with or without irrigation. Mild cool climate and a low to moderate rainfall are best situated for these crops. Pulses serve as excellent fodder. Pulses are grown in almost all districts in the state except Chennai, Nilgiris and Kanyakumari. Coimbatore leads in the production of the Bengal gram. Vellore and Kanyakumari districts produced red gram. Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam and Thoothukudi districts are the principal producers of green gram and black gram. Horse gram is widely cultivated in Dharmaburi and Krishnagiri districts. The next is oil seeds. Groundnut, gingerly, castor, coconut, sunflower and mustard are some of the oil seeds that grown in Tamil Nadu. Apart from its use in food preparation, it is used in industries as a lubricant in the manufacture of varnish, soaps, candles, cosmetics. Groundnut is the major oil seed of the state. The cultivation of groundnut is mostly concentrated in Vellore, Thiruvannamalai, Viluppuram, Salem and Pudukkottai districts. It is also grown to some extent in Dharmaburi, Kadalur, Perambalur and Madurai. Erode, Ramanathapuram, Sivagangai and Virudhunagar districts are its minor producers. Coconut is grown in Coimbatore, Tanjavur, Kanyakumari districts. The next one is sugarcane. Sugarcane is the most important cash crop of India and is the second largest producer in the world. In Tamil Nadu, sugarcane is one of the major cash crop of the state. It is an annual crop. It requires high temperature and heavy rainfall. It grows well in the tropical region. Major sugarcane producing districts are Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, Vellore, Kadalur, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, Erode and Tirunelveli. The next one is cotton. Cotton is also a cash crop. Cotton is the most important cash crop of India. Cotton is a fiber and cash crop. It requires black soil, long frost-free condition and warm and humid weather for its cultivation. Humid weather in the early stages and hot, dry weather during harvest period is suitable for this crop. It is prominently cultivated in Coimbatore Plateau and Vaigai-Vaipar river basins. It is also cultivated in Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Salem and Dharmaburi districts. The next one is plantation crops. Plantation crops are cultivated for the purpose of exports. Tea, coffee, cashew, rubber and cinchona are the major plantation crops of the state. Tamil Nadu ranks second in area and production of tea in India next to Assam. Tea plantations are found in the hills of the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. The Nilgiris is a notable region for tea plantations. Coffee plants are grown in the hills of Western Ghats as well as Eastern Ghats. It is also found in the hilly slopes of Dindigul, Madurai, Theni and Salem districts. Yerkad, Kolli Hills and Kodaikanal are notable for coffee plantations. Tamil Nadu stands second in area and production of coffee next to Karnataka. Rubber plantations are significant in Kanyakumari. Pepper is confined to the warm and wet slope of eastern and the western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Cashew is extensively cultivated in Kadalur districts. The cinchona is planted at high heights varying from 1060 to 1280 meters in Anamalai Hills. Cardamom estates also located at few places in the hills of Madurai region at an elevation of 915 to 1525 meters. Tamil Nadu, the Tea Plantation Corporation Limited is one of the biggest black tea producers in India with high quality colonial tea. Its plantation spreads over nearly 4,500 hectares. Tamil Nadu Dairy Development Corporation Limited was transferred into the newly registered Tamil Nadu Cooperative Milk Producers Federation Limited, popularly known as AWIN.